Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking to Tony. He is the founder and lead Solidity engineer over at Metafire Gaming, a pretty interesting project. We're going to discuss all the details and yeah, hi Tony, how are you doing?
Hi, thank you for having me. Yes, I'm also excited to be with this community.
Yeah, great having you over here. So if you can just quickly describe to us what Metafire is for, crypto bros and for the, specific gamers that are going to be potentially getting into the game.
Sure. So, Metafire is a multiplayer peer-to-peer first-person shooting game that rewards players who win the game. So, the project was inspired from popular FPS game Kranga.io, which has a massive user base of 220 million registered users. So, day by day, the original Kranga game got bloated with more features and became complex for new players. So, so the players were never getting rewarded for the countless hours they played the game. So we decided to bring that simple experience back, along with providing the players a decent share of the revenue that's generated in the game, and over time accumulating the value they the time they spend
Mm-hmm.
on our platform.
Okay. And from what we know, the game is in beta right now, correct?
Yes, there are
So,
bugs obviously.
mhm,
Uh, we are fixing it every day. We are improving the game every day.
mhm. Okay. And then if one wanted to try it out, how would he go about doing so?
Yep. So, Metafire is a web-based shooting game. All you need to access it is a desktop or laptop with any web browser. And for accessing a beta game, currently we have the beta game available at website. And go to the website. There is play button. You can click on it and access it at beta.metafire.com.1, and the game is live there. So
Mm-hmm.
Metafire makes it a lot more easier for someone to actually have entertainment with their friends or even with global players. People love to play shooting games, especially with friends. And the idea is to provide a simple FPS game that is easy to access. So anyone can open the game link and start playing as a guest in a second. And
Mm-hmm.
currently, we have this beta game live. We don't have a wallet connection features yet, and the click to play feature is also on the way. It will be live soon. So
Mm-hmm.
when a V1 alpha release is live, players will be able to connect the wallet and get rewards, play, stake the games, etc.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. And from what we know, there is going to be a central piece of your ecosystem, which is going to be your native token. Can you briefly describe how that would work and what utilities the token is going to have?
Yeah. So the MR token by Metafire Gaming is a hyper-deflationary utility token. It has a low limited supply of 1 million, and there is no minting function, and we can consider burning in future. So there is a small sell tax of 0 to 2%, that is we can anytime disable it, but the maximum sell tax will be 2%, and which will effectively fund the project scaling and development, and spread to top players, or it's even burned. So we can actually share the tax with top players, like uh, those who are on the leaderboard,
Mm-hmm.
and it can be burned as well in future. So the tax and low supply makes the token hyper deflationary, and use cases of MR token includes all these. Uh, we can generate ad revenue, that is, ad revenue share is given to the players using MR tokens. And to play staked games, you need MR token. And to pay for ads. So if you are a project owner, you are an online business owner, you want to display ads in the 3D metaverse of the game, you can display your ads in the billboards by paying for the ads using MR tokens. So you can get the MR tokens from a public market like DEX or CX,
Mm-hmm.
and you can pay for the ads at our platform, and you can publish the ads. And obviously, like any token, it can be used as a means of value transfer, and also there is appreciation through deflation. So you can store value, and over time your initial value you stored will be multiplied. Yeah.
Mm.
So for
Yeah.
comparison, we can consider MKR tokens. That's a normal comparison that we always do because of the similar supply and high utility. So currently, MKR by MakerDAO, the stable coin DAI, and it's supporting MKR token is MKR is trading at $700 per token on Binance.
Yeah.
And we see a similar future for the MR token as well.
Yeah. That would be great. And so you guys are building, or you started building on Polygon. So what are some of the benefits of building on Polygon Matic? So we all know that they have low fees. It's highly scalable. So what is it like from your end building on Polygon Matic?
Yeah, obviously the reason is fees and lower block time. Polygon has many advantages over other EVM chains like ETH, BSC, Avalanche thing. Uh, the main one is fees. It is an L2 chain, and that is layer 2, which has a lot lower fees than layer 1 chains like ETH or BSC. For comparison with other layer 2 chains like Arbitrum or Optimism, basic transfer or approve transactions for a token is a lot lower when compared to Arbitrum or Optimism. Polygon, it will be a lot lower. For us in Metafire, what we have mostly is approved transactions and token transfer transactions.
Mm-hmm.
Because initially, if you want to play stake games, you basically have to approve your balance to the payment contracts get in the game, and then all the payments and etc are done using basic token transfers. So those are the only transactions that are involved. So basically, for if we are using Polygon, Polygon has lowest fees to offer for a project, as well as the team of Polygon, and then the ecosystem is so vibrant. The team is always building.
Mm-hmm.
They're
Yeah.
supportive, and yeah, and it's even growing. Probably in this bull market, Polygon will be one of the most trending projects out there.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm also bullish on Polygon. And so you mentioned that you can get the tokens on some decentralized exchanges, and I understand that you're not listed on any centralized exchanges yet. So how would one go about getting the token? And obviously, we're going to have all the links down below in the description. So where can we get the tokens, Tony?
Yeah. So for listing, we are planning for Dexes in initially. So probably it will be quick swap on Matic, and for CXS, we are planning for tier two centralized exchanges. We are still in discussion with those teams, and pre-sale will be there obviously in coming weeks. And even before that, we do offer stealth sales to the partnered communities, and uh, probably we will have one with CryptoExpress as well. Soon the link will be shared, and the community has the best option to buy these stealth sales because uh, obviously the stealth sales have the lowest price, and resale will have a higher price, and listing will be around $1 to $2 in that app. It will be the listing price. So it's best for the community to buy the internal stealth sales that we conduct with our partners.
Hmm. Yeah, of course. All the links are going to be down below in the description, and anyone who wants to participate is going to be able to do so. And any final thoughts, any hints towards the near future of the project?
Yeah, we are currently in discussion with multiple firms and teams, as well as we are in discussion with uh, major projects in the space of regarding integration of their services and products into our platform. And what we are having right now is in coming weeks we will have V1 launch, which will be a basic single scene uh, multiplayer single
Hmm.
weapon game. And yeah, people will be able to try it out. And when we launch take the games, it will for players to try it out, or for anyone to try it out, you probably will need MR token. So uh, probably uh, you can get these at internal stealth sales. And yeah, that's all to wrap up.
Yeah. All right. So that's been a great talk. Thank you very much. We'll definitely be keeping an eye on Metafire, and anyone looking to get involved. All the links are going to be down below in the description. Thank you, Tony, for being here. Really appreciate it. And see you soon. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you all.